Nothing has finally revealed more about the upcoming Phone 4B. Live images of all three color options of the device have surfaced, giving us an early look at the device ahead of launch on July 7th. The biggest confirmation is the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage on the leaked model. The Phone 4B will run Nothing OS 4.1 based on Android 16 out of the box, bringing the company's clean software experience to a more affordable device. For cameras, you're getting a 50MP main sensor with OIS support, an 8MP secondary camera, and a 16MP selfie shooter. Up front is a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display, while the real surprise is the massive 6000 mAh battery. If this leak is accurate, the Phone 4B will pack the biggest battery ever seen in a Nothing smartphone, which could make it one of the strongest battery life contenders in this segment. On paper, the Nothing Phone 4B isn't trying to be a flagship killer, but it looks like a well-balanced device focused on smooth software, solid cameras, and exceptional endurance. If pricing is right, this could be one of Nothing's most appealing budget-friendly phones yet. So that's it for the update. If I get more details about the device, I will definitely share with you guys. And of course, if I could get its price as well before the device officially launch on July 7th, I will share the details with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. That's it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.